Okie doke, next we're going to try Jeff. What's going on, Jeff? Going to try one of these 09 blacks. Actually, the last one I have more coming in on Tuesday. So you actually got another one, but I'll do that on Tuesday for you, buddy. But we'll do this one today. Box number 72. Last one. There we go. Alright, 2 packages. Pop and lock. Oh, that didn't work. Let's go this way. Alright, we have Thurman Thomas to 250 and Brandon Tate. $3.99. Illustrious rookies. Okay. Somebody put in a comment if you see like a veteran player on as the flag patches, then a rookie's usually behind it. And that's veteran Thurman Thomas. But if you see a current player, then it's not. I'm gonna see if that theory holds true. Uh-oh, Lawrence Taylor. And dang if they weren't right on this one. That's weird how they did that. If you put the veteran patch on top, the flag patch, then it's rookie. I've never noticed it. Stephen McGee, $3.99. I have to check the old videos on that and see if that's accurate or not. But then you kind of know when you open the pack, if you got like, I guess Tony Romo or something, then you probably know there's a regular, not a non-rookie behind it. But who knows, Jeff? But anyway, buddy, there's that one, man. The double rookie box. But we'll do that. We'll get some new black in on Tuesday, and I'll do that limited on Monday. Thanks again, buddy. See ya.